Hello everyone, if you're trying to uninstall the new Windows 11 update KB5070311 and it won't uninstall, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to uninstall that Windows update on your computer easily. So first up, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here check for updates, and then you're going to go into update history, you're going to go into uninstall updates, you're going to uninstall it from here. And if that doesn't work, then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu. You're going to right here turn Windows features on or off. You're going to scroll down here. You're going to make sure you have Windows Sandbox unticked. So if it's ticked, just untick it and then it will uninstall Windows Sandbox. After that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to right here CMD. You're going to right click on it. Make sure you run it as administrator. Click yes. And here you're going to put this command in. I'm going to put this command into the description of the video. So once you put this command in, you're going to paste it here and press enter, and then it will uninstall the Windows 11 update KB5070311. And there you have it guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.